Okay, so we're going to have a look at multiplying decimals today, and here I've got 0.3, which is obviously a decimal at the moment, and I'm going to turn it into a whole number. I'm going to turn it into 3, but to do that I've had to multiply this 0.3 by 10, and I'm now going to work out the answer to 3 times by 7. 3 times by 7 is 21, but because I've times it by 10 here, I've now got to divide it by 10 to get back to the answer at the end. So you remember, if I've got 21, which is like 21, and I put a decimal place coming after it, and if I'm going to divide it by 10, I'm going to move it all along one place. So the 1 will go to here, and the 2 will move along one place into here. So the final answer will be 2.1. Okay, so here we've got 2 decimals, and I'm going to turn this into 8 times by 6. To do that here, I've had to times the 0.8 by 10, and I've also had to times the 0.6 by 10. So I can work out 8 times 6 is 48. So now from there, I've just got to get rid of these 2 times by 10s by doing the opposite. So I'm going to divide it by 10. 48 divided by 10, remember, I can put the decimal place after the 8, and if we divide something by 10, I'm just going to move everything along one place. So the 8 will go to there, and the 4 will go into here. So that gives me 4.8, and that's me cancelled that one out. And then I just need to cancel out that one, so I need to divide it by 10 again. So divide by 10, and if we move it all along one more place, so the 8 will go into here, and the 4 will move into the place where the 8 was, and I need to fill in a 0 here, so I'm going to get 0.48 as my final answer, because I've cancelled out that times 10 there. Okay, final example. So we're going to turn them both into whole numbers as before and make it 12 times by 9. To do that though, with this one I've had to multiply it by 100, and with this one I've multiplied it by 10. So 12 times by 9, if you're not sure, you could use the grid method, but 12 times by 9 is 108. So from there, I now need to just undo these 2 calculations here. Opposite of times by 100 is to divide something by 100. Again, if you're not sure, just write it out, 108. If I'm dividing something by 100, I'm going to move it 2 places. So I'm going to move it 1 place to there, and then another place to go in here. The 0 is going to go 1 place, 2 places to sit in here, and the 1, move 1 to there. Second place goes into there. So that gives me 1.08, and that's me cancelled that out. Then I just need to cancel out the 1 remaining, divide by 10. Divide something by 10, I'm just going to move it all 1 place further along, so the 8 is going to go 1 space further, so will the 0, and so will the 1, and then I need to put in the 0 in front. So the answer is 0.108.